Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 18th video in Qt5 C++ GUI application development. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a progress bar and also a slider in Qt5 C++. So now let's get started. First of all, I'm going to create a new file or project. So I need a Qt widget application. I'm going to call it QProgressbar. Click on next, choose Q dialog, next, and finish. Okay, now we have, let me close this. We have a dialog.ui, we have a header file, also we have cpp and main.cpp. Now in the dialog.ui I'm going to add a progress bar like this. Also I need a slider, a horizontal. You can see that we have a vertical slider and also a horizontal slider. I need a horizontal slider. Now choose these two, and also I'm going to make it give a layout for this, vertical layout, and for this like this. Okay, now if I run this, you will see that I have a nice window with a slider and also progress bar. Okay, after this, when you create these two, you can see that if I choose my slider, the object name is horizontal slider. You can change this, but I will leave by default. And also you can see that now this is right now there's no functionality for this, but I will add that. And also if you choose the progress bar, you can see the object name is progress bar. Now open your dialog.cpp, and in the constructor you can connect your horizontal slider signal of value changed to the set value of the progress bar, to the slot of set value. If you don't know about signal and slots mechanism in Qt5, you can watch my later videos. I have explained this on that video. So now I'm going to write connect. I'm going to take my horizontal slider slot signal, not slot, signal of value changed to the UI progress bar slot set value like this. Okay, now if I run this, I'm going to run this. You can see that in here I have take my horizontal slider. It was my object name of horizontal slider. Now if I make this, you can see now it is like this, but there is a problem. If you see, by default we have a value of, I think it was 20. Let me run this. I want to change that. You can see now this is 24. I want that this should be 0. So for this, in the constructor in here, I'm going to take my progress bar, and I want to set the value to my progress bar. I want to set the value of a slider to my progress bar, horizontal slider value. And now if I run this, now it's still running. Okay, now you can see that the value is 0, and if I change this, it's changed. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel.